Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh, look at this mother. What's your problem, dude?
What's the problem?
You don't know how to drive?
No, I not drive.
Okay, give me your info
you
then.
hit me.
I hit you. You're the one that went to my lane.
Why you don't say
bro,
nothing with
you
the
got this one and you got this one. So you got there's no argument.
Okay.
There's no argument, brother. Give me your info. Give me your info. I'm gonna call CHP as well.
Which one? What are you talking?
California Highway Patrol.
Freeway going to Dixon. I was like, holy f, I gotta go the whole opposite direction right now.
What the fuck,
Good
dude?
job.
Jesus.
And
Now you're just gonna fucking take
down.
your time. Take your time, bud. Take your fucking time. Take your time. Take your time, bro.
You didn't even
Hey,
stop at the
I got
stop.
a camera. Let's fucking go. I'm not threatening you, stupid.
We said
just
your
fucking
time.
go. Park your fucking car. What are you talking
Then
about?
learn
You
how
cut
to
me
drive
off,
it
you fucking
properly.
dumbass.
Then actually learn how to drive
You
it.
cut me off, you
Get the
dumb
f
fuck.
out of here. Yeah, we have you on camera
I got
running
the
the fucking
bitch.
stop sign, jackass.
Yep. Knew that was gonna happen. Oh my god. Oh. The fact that that kid got up and walked away.
And then the announcer says, "Good luck finding something to do in Albany." Oh yeah,
Oh
just
my
smashed that.
God.
That's probably the same fucking white truck that tried to almost hit me. Is that your brother?
My brother? Was it a Tesla?
Yes, a white Tesla.
Fuck. That was my brother.
I'm like, are you proud of yourself? I'm like, you should, that's really awesome. She's like, yeah.
Dude just ran a red light right into a cop.
What?
The dude seriously just ran a red light.
Turn right onto Kirkendall Road, then turn left.
Whoa! Hey, Garmin.
Jesus, Nicole. Well, we're gonna go take a look. Yeah, he's fine.
Alright, how can I know what you want from me when you don't believe I can see? Huh.
Got him. I told you don't speed through here.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.